In front of me is Honor 600, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice typing in Emoji Keyboard. First of all, launch your keyboard and tap on this icon of a microphone at the top of it. Then start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. You can switch it on or off thanks to this button. To remove text on the go, tap on the right one and to access some available options on the left one. If you wish to go back to standard keyboard, tap on this arrow at the top left corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!